Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to ask in Quora app. So it's very simple. First of all, you have to open Quora app in your mobile. Just click on this. And here in the top left corner, you can see the ask. Just click on this and you can just ask here a question. For example, I'm going to ask a question: how do I sleep when I see nightmares? So just add this, and you can just use suggestion that Quora gives or ask a question original and just click on done. Skip. So now you can go to your profile and click on Continuify. So here the question has been added to your profile. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to comment down below. Thank you.